9 Best Places to Live in New Jersey. New Jersey has a wide range of living options, from bustling urban regions like Jersey City and Newark to lush countrysides and lovely villas. During the summer, families go to the Jersey Shore, while outdoor enthusiasts throng to the Skylands for camping and outdoor activities. New Jersey's top places to live include Hoboken, Princeton, and Morristown. New Jersey owes its broad and dynamic economy to financial institutions, modern manufacturing, logistical services, life sciences, and even pharmaceutical companies. More than 1,000 international corporations representing 40 countries have operations in the state. New Jersey is also the home to 21 Fortune 500 companies. In terms of foreign direct investment, the state is ranked 6th throughout the entire United States. It has a gross domestic product of $580 billion, making it the world's 19th largest economy if it were a separate country. Hello everyone, welcome to Pack and Go. In this video, we'll list down the best places to live in New Jersey. Without further ado, let's get started. 9. Waldwick. Waldwick has close access to the state's top addresses: Ridgewood, Midland Park, and Hoboken. The tiny suburb has a population of almost 10,000 people and offers a good education system, which is proven by its high graduation rate. Waldwick has never been known as a crime hotspot. If you want a safe neighborhood, then this place suits you. However, keep in mind that Waldwick has a high cost of living, with a single-family home costing around $400,000. But if money's not a problem for you, then I suggest you strongly consider Waldwick as your new home. 8. Chatham. Chatham has residents numbering 9,000 only, with a majority of adults having earned a college diploma. The town's high educational standards are shown in 2 significant ways. First, children here are educated using some of the most advanced instruments available. Second, Chatham has a high per capita income, which is 139% higher than the national average. Meanwhile, families usually earn $140,000 on average, which is a good thing given that Chatham has a high cost of living. The average property value here is $700,000. The lack of nightlife is offset by other benefits, such as a quick commuting time, numerous outdoor activities, and a low crime rate. Chatham can be the spot for you if you want to live in a neighborhood full of smart, rich people. 7. Hoboken. Hoboken is a small borough in Bergen County, only having 4,100 residents. This place is often regarded as one of the nicest locations to live in New Jersey. The main disadvantages are the high cost of living. Rent is on average $2,200 a month, and if you want to buy a home, you'll have to prepare big amounts too. After all, the median value of real estate here starts at $700,000. For most people, that's a bit much, but it's the price you'll have to pay if you desire to experience high-quality academic standards, a safe community, and peerless recreational activities. Many people may claim that you can have these benefits for much less than some other places in New Jersey. However, the local households that earn an average of $160,000 in Hoboken may disagree. 6. Parsippany Troy Hills. Parsippany Troy Hills ranked 33rd on Money Magazine's 217 list of best places to live in the United States, and it's easy to understand why. The stunning nature of Morris County has no doubt compelled many people to settle for good in this place. More than 50,000 people call Parsippany Troy Hills home, and the city's strong concentration of businesses is another magnet that made its locals never want to leave. Jackson Hewitt and Wyndham Hotels and Resorts are both situated here. Parsippany Troy Hills also has diverse scenery and culture. It has a museum and a plethora of parks to boast about. These things are among the reasons why many are attracted to stay here. 5. Concordia. Concordia deserves a spot on this list as one of the best places to live in New Jersey because of its enticingly inexpensive cost of living. With a typical home value of $160,000, Middlesex County is considered to have the lowest median home value throughout the state. It's also astonishing that it's maintained a small population, only around 3,500 people. This is a neighborhood that is best suited for seniors and anyone who's looking for an idyllic, low-cost residential space. There are some excellent schools in the vicinity with various outdoor activities ranging from golf to tennis. If you're into golf, its 18-hole Concordia golf course is perfect for you. Concordia residents also benefit from its virtually zero crime rate. And while the region may be slightly drab in terms of nightlife, some of us like it that way. 4. Saddlebrook. If your work requires you to spend a lot of time on the road, Saddlebrook might be the ideal place of residence for you. The small town is located in Bergen County and has a population of around 14,000. Multiple important roadways, including the Garden State Parkway, Route 17, and Interstate 80, pass through the neighborhood. Because of this, many real estate experts regard Saddlebrook as one of the best locations for commuters. Moreover, I have to emphasize that New York City is only minutes away. In terms of recreation, Saddlebrook has lots to offer, with a variety of community events such as local baseball leagues, movie nights, and outdoor events. Saddlebrook was named the 24th best location to live in the United States by Money Magazine in 2017. Its median home value starts at $360,000. 3. Ridgewood. Ridgewood is a suburb of Bergen County that is known for its eclectic mix of Victorian residences and historic farmhouses. The homes in this region are picture perfect, so it's no surprise that the average property here is a whopping $700,000, with monthly rental fees reaching roughly $2,000. As a result, it is automatically ruled out as an option by the average Joe. Of course, there are less expensive homes here, but they do start at $500,000. However, this hasn't deterred people from desiring to live here, proven by its 25,000-strong population. Its children attend some of the best schools in the state, and the community has a selection of parks, bustling downtown, and other recreational platforms for families. 2. North Arlington. North Arlington ranked 8 on the best places to live in America in 2017's list of Time's Money Magazine. North Arlington has exquisite beauty despite being a small town. Surprisingly, it can provide you with all the amenities that you need. This New Jersey suburb is just a 15-minute drive from the world's most famous financial area, New York's Financial Center. For a single-family home, the median property value here is $350,000, and the average rent is around $1,200 per month. Residents of North Arlington enjoy high-quality education institutions. Furthermore, it has a low crime rate, too. Of course, not all things here are perfect, but it's good enough to earn it a spot in the top 10 best places to live in the United States. The proximity of North Arlington to the MetLife Stadium and Meadowlands Sports Complex are also among its appealing factors. 1. Princeton. The famed Princeton University lies in the heart of this town, which alone proves its overall livability and desirability. After all, that university is a part of the prestigious Ivy League. Princeton is almost halfway between Philadelphia and New York, making it an ideal residence for someone who plans to visit both cities frequently. With a median house value of almost $800,000, the cost of living in Princeton is quite high. Residents, on the other hand, earn at least $115,000 per household. From a list of over 1,200 cities, WalletHub.com ranked it as the best small city in America. It is ranked 15 on Money Magazine's list of the best places to work and live in the United States. And that completes our list. Did I miss anything? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about city living guides and so much more. I'll see you in the next video. Take care!